Yo, I'm Dapper Nez, drop another review on y'all, and this is going to be the review of the BAM. This is the, I know it says color screen calendar on it, but it's the Hippih, Hippih, that's spelled hotel, India, Papa, India, hotel. Projection digital alarm clock with LED backlight in color. The model number is 8190. Basically, from the picture on the description here, you see what it does. It tells time, and it's supposed to project it on the ceiling. So we're gonna check all that out. So, with that being said, let's take a look around the box. On this side, basically, it tells the temperature, humidity, time in 12 or 24 hours, alarm date, projector clock, and it has a color screen calendar. Keep saying that, so I imagine it has something like that. Same thing on the other side is on the former side, and same thing on the left side is the right side. And like everything else, made in China. Alright, nothing on the bottom. Got the big barcode that's slapped on the top of this bad boy, basically saying what it is. The Hippih projection digital backlight color in black. Barcode made in China. So let's just get right into this bad boy. So. Okay, open it up. Everything out the box. Looks like a little power cord. It's powered by USB. So if you have a spare USB port around, or you have a power brick, you can use this to plug it in. You know, you do so like that. Take the bubble off. You got your instructions here in Chinese. Looks like I could pop out the Google Voice, but the Google Translate, but I ain't trying to do all that, and I wouldn't have been reading it anyway. But I just got to see if there is any English on here, because so far both sides of this is all Chinese. And when you open it up, you do got some English instructions. Not the best English instructions, but nonetheless you got some English instructions. So I'm gonna put that to the side. Let's just deal with this. Okay, got your little plastic on the front. Love the way this feels. Oh, that feels good. And I get to do it twice. Nice. Twice is nice. Okay. Got your cord here. As I'm seeing here, this also takes batteries. So I had seen a review on one of these a while ago, and the review that I seen, a lot of people giving negative reviews because it said that it only operated with batteries. So I guess the company heard people's complaints, and they provided some kind of power cord. So that's a good thing that at least they're attempting to listen to people's complaints. Because I wasn't expecting to get any kind of power cord with this. I was expecting to just pop batteries in it. But this is the front. It displays all your information here. This part swivels to to project the time on a surface. Fingerprint magnet, as you can see, definite fingerprint magnet. You got your snooze and light button up top. Nothing on that side. The bottom, all you see is the stand and everything. Nothing on that side. Then you got the back. You got all your controls. This right here, I imagine this lets you focus in your projector, whatever you're projecting. You can focus it in. You got your port right here for the power cord here. You see that plugs in just like that. I like that it's angled, so you can probably fit it into a tighter space because it's angled. It's not sticking straight out. Got your mode button, up, down, maximum, minimum, snooze, reset ports right there. Right here you got your battery spot. Looks like it takes 2 AA's. Do I happen to have those handy, or do I gotta plug it into something? What I'm gonna do is I have a plug right here. I'm gonna have a USB right here. Let's just plug this bad boy in right here. Okay, unplug this. Plug this back in right here. Because I think it's kind of stupid to have it run on batteries, because eventually one day batteries are going to run out, and then that's the day you'll be late to work or to wherever function so when I plug it in, you hear the beep. This is what we're greeted with. When you look directly at it, it's not that clear. It's made to be viewed at an angle, which I think it is what it is. It's connecting to some things, as you see there. Don't know exactly with what that means, but it is connecting to it. The temperature is in Celsius right now. That's 20.3 degrees Celsius in here. The time is 1200 hours, and it's showing that it's Friday. So I guess I need to set all that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through the modes and figure that out. Okay, I'm going to hit the mode button here. Okay, minute up, down. So hit up. That puts the alarm bell on there when I hit up. Okay, so to hitting down, I switch it to Fahrenheit. I see there. When I hit up, the bell goes back. When I hit minimum, maximum, let's see what we do here. Okay, I guess that's the precipitation there that I'm adjusting. And the SNZ, I'm imagining that's snooze. Nothing. So let's go back and just hit the mode button again. Okay. Can I adjust some time here? Okay. Maybe I have to hold down the mode button, maybe? Oh, yeah, see? Okay, hold down the mode button. Adjust the time. What time is it? Okay, so now I can adjust the hour. So you hold down the mode button for a couple seconds, and then the hour button will start flashing, and then you can adjust it by hitting the up or down buttons. So right now I got it in 24 hours, so I'm going to go ahead and go to 18 because it's 18:51 right now. Hit the mode button again, go back to minutes. I'm going to hit the down button because it's 51. I'm just going to go ahead and go to 52. Hit the mode button again, and our time is set, 18:52. Now, we have to get the date. So hit mode. It's on the date there. So now, okay, let's see. Okay, we're going Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Alright, I'm on Thursday, so I have to go back to Thursday. I skip Thursday. Or did I? Alright, there we go. Okay, so now, okay, month. We're in February. Day. Today is the 16th. And I'm on. Gotta get the year. Okay, I guess I'm supposed to set the year first. Go back down to 2017. And then the month, then the day. There we go, the 16th. Bam. Okay. So that's pretty cool how they make you set the year first, so that way to give you the accurate day of whatever date it is. So I guess that's it. I just set it up. That was simple enough. I don't know why it's sunny out there, because it's definitely not sunny right now over here. Unless there's some way to adjust the time zone, but it's not sunny here. But that's definitely the temperature, 73 degrees. I'm sure that's the humidity, 29%, or precipitation, whatever that means. I'm not sure. I'm sure it says it in instructions, but I ain't reading it. So I bought it for the time and the temperature, and now we're going to get into the projection. So I'm going to turn the light off a little bit. As you see, the projector is on. So I'm going to turn the light down a little bit, and then we're going to project it on something. See if we work. Okay. Now the light down a little bit. Okay. Okay, that's, as you see, it does project. And I am focusing it in, and this bad boy is nice and crisp. Let me back up so you can actually see it get bigger. Let me adjust it some, a little more crisp for you. So, as you can see, This thing does project the time really well. 1854, as you can see. So, I'm going to say this is a definite go. I like this. Nice and simple. Projector works where I want it to work. It don't get no better than that. So, I'm going to have to say that I recommend this. I definitely recommend this bad boy. Alright? So, yeah. With that being said, I'm Dapper Inez. And this has been the review of the Hippih projection digital alarm clock with LED backlight in color, or the color screen calendar. I don't know why I said that on the box, because I don't see. Oh, I guess because there's an actual calendar on it. Okay, so there you go. That's what that is. Let's see. It said it has a light here. When you press the light button, don't know what that does. I guess it just makes the projection show up when you press the light button. I don't know. Snooze button. If I have an alarm set, I guess that's the snooze, but I'm not going to set any alarms. So I'm going to say definitely get this, because any more settings on it, you can figure it out in the instruction manual. This is what I would need it for, so I have it set up the way that I like it. The only complaint I would say that I don't like about this is the fact that you have to view it at an angle. You can't view it straight on. So when you turn it like that, it's really washed out when you do it straight on. Okay, the more you turn it at an angle, the better it views, because it has the stand on the back set at an angle on and I believe that's designed that way on purpose to get you to view it at an angle. So when I hold it like that, that's the viewing angle. So you can actually see it better at an angle than straight on. Okay, so you see straight on, and as soon as I turn it up slightly, you get that angle effect, and then you see it clear as day. And then the more you angle it, the more you see it. And then when you do it straight up, that's when it washes out again. See from the side. From the sides, washed out. As you turn it a little bit, then you start to see it. And then it starts to wash out when you go to the side again. So, this is definitely meant to be viewed at an angle. Which is great for me anyway, because my bed kind of sits above my nightstand, so I'm going to be viewing at an angle anyway. So, this has been, like I said, this has been a review of the Hippih projection digital alarm clock with LED backlight. Like I said before, I'm Dapper Inez. I say cop this. It was only 10 bucks. So you get all that for 10 bucks, baby. I definitely say get it. I'm Dapper Inez, and I'm out this piece. Get it! Okay, I just want to add one thing, that when I unplugged it, and just let it run on a battery, because I decided to put batteries in there to see. I figured let me put batteries in and see how it runs with batteries. When I unplugged it, after putting the batteries, I put the batteries in first, and then I unplugged it. It immediately lost the time and everything. So, I would say that I don't think the batteries in there will be used as battery backup, because once the power is removed from it, I believe that's it. You have to reset everything all over again. So I think I would have to I'm gonna have to take away a star for that. If I was was rating it with stars, I would definitely take away a star. I would definitely have to take away a star for that, because if this thing has batteries in it, it should definitely be in there as a battery backup in case there's power failure. So that way I don't have to keep, if I should lose power during the day or at night, I don't have to worry about being late to work. So I would still, as much as I would like to use this as an alarm, I can't. I still have to use my phone, because if power goes out, it's going to wipe this out. So I just want to pretty much say that. And as you see, the light button, I was pressing the light button before and it wasn't doing anything. That's because it was, powered. But when it's on battery, it definitely goes into battery saver mode. The screen dims out, and then you have to press the light in order to see the time. And I imagine it's probably the same thing with the projector. So you have the projector light, as you see, it goes out also. But when you press the button, it lights up and you see your time. So obviously the best way to use this is actually plugged up, and the batteries is just in there just to be in there, I guess. So I just wanted to add that little part to the video for anyone who's considered buying that. You should know that. Alright, so now I'm really out. Dapper Inez, and you already know what this has been a review of, and I'm really out this piece now.